Sridhar Namburi Tapovan. Today we are going to discuss about the black magic, witchcraft. So many people have doubts. Even in this modern world, is it practical? Is it working properly? Through many cases, we can understand this is practical. The people are doing like this negatives through this way. In Africa is one of the main country of this black magic. So Hindu, Christian, Muslim, all of the systems have the methods to do the abhijara. The many scientists are researching on that subject. Actually, it is three types of way it is happening: Shaiva, Vaishnava, and Shakteya. And the positive, negatives, and neutral. Sattva, Rajas, Tamo. Three types of way it is happening. Three types of deities are there. So, Shaiva, Vaishnava, Shakteya. The divisions of these deities, people are using with these deities, the abhijara. It is normally known as in Tantra as Shatkarmas. Vashyam, Mohanam, Stambanam, Maranam, Uchchadanam. Vashyam is for attracting the people. Mohanam is for making hallucination to people. Mohanam. Stambanam is for make the stop in their money, health and wealth, whatever it is. The words, it will stop here. That is Stambanam. Uchcharanam is the process to do to the people should go from that area and throughout all wealth and they should go from there, that area. That is Uchcharanam. Maranam is for killing the people. Effectively, many people are doing these things. Means if you through this way, diseases, marriage problem, family problems, divorce, and accidents, and the destruction of their business and career, and so many problems, mental problems, so many problems have happening by these kind of black magics. Who have more belief? If I am believing, I can hit you more than you. If I am believing that, it will work out like that. If you are believing, you can do black magic against me, then it will work out. Who will use more cognitive sensory connection and beliefs, and in that way I can generate the belief, it will be more strong. In many cases, it is proven, it is happening. One of my client who came to me for psychological consultation. As a psychologist, I first do the mental status examination, MSc, and went through the psychotherapy of hypnotism and counseling and everything, but nothing is not working because his problem was he was sleeping always. Immediately he will sleep and fell down. So, and eating problem, many problems have. He was a very good cricket player. He lost his job and everything, career and everything. So when I do this solution program, after 1 hour he started to play cricket and removed all kind of this problem. This was one of some kind of clear abhijara, black magic. So many cases. One the people are doing with many methods. They are cutting give the special food to with the chanting mantras and giving food for a hen or cock, and then they will cut the head. They will tie up the beak and cut the head and put this in that land, and the people will die. these many methods are there, but many people are doing with a ghost. One case came and the ghost came the body and said, I came to kill these people. So I have to kill because somebody sent me to kill these people. Without that process, I cannot go there because they don't have brain. That's why they don't know what, they don't have awareness. That's why they are acting like a puppet of these people. So these kind of many incidents we can see.
ഞാൻ തെറ്റ് ചെയ്തതല്ല.
അല്ല.
എന്നെ ചെയ്യിച്ചതാ.
ചെയ്യിച്ചതാണ്.
എനിക്ക് സക്കാലി എനിക്ക് അവരെ കൊല്ലണം. എന്നെ ഇവരെ കൊല്ലാൻ വിട്ടതാ.
ഇവരെ കൊന്നുകൊണ്ട് വല്ല പാപം കൂടത്തല്ലോ.
ആരെയും കൊല്ലണ്ട.
ആരെയും കൊല്ലണ്ട.
ഞാനും എന്റെ കുഞ്ഞു പോയില്ലേ
പോയി.
എനിക്ക് നീചലന്മാരെന്താ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് തരാഞ്ഞ ജീവൻ.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അടുത്ത മോക്ഷഗതിയല്ലേ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അടുത്ത മോക്ഷഗതിയിലേക്ക് വരാൻ വേണ്ടിട്ട് സംഭവിച്ചതെല്ലാം നല്ലത്.
എനിക്ക് തരാനില്ല.
ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്ക്. ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെ ആളുകളെ പറയട്ടെ, ആളുകളെ ഉപദ്രവിച്ച് നടക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ടാണ് മോക്ഷം കിട്ടാത്ത അടുത്ത. സത്യത്തില് ഈ ജീവിതം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒന്നുമില്ല എന്നുള്ളത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? അത് ഇതിനകത്ത് വലിയ കാര്യമൊന്നുമില്ല. മോക്ഷത്തിലേക്ക് പോകാനാണ്, ഭഗവാന്റെ സവിധത്തിലേക്ക് മോക്ഷത്തിലേക്ക് ഇനി പോകണ്ടേ, മോക്ഷത്തിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവിടാം.
ഇതിനെ കൊന്നിട്ട് ചെല്ലാനെന്ന്
എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി.
നോക്കി വെച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കുവല്ലേ ഇവര്. ഞാൻ എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യും? എന്റെ അച്ഛനും അമ്മയെ പോലെ അല്ലേ ഇവര് വളർത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് വന്നത്.
ശരിയാണ്, ശരിയാണ്, 100% ശരിയാണ്. അത് ആ നല്ല മനസ്സിന് ഈശ്വരൻ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കുക. അതായത് മോക്ഷത്തിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ അവസരം.
ഞാൻ വിളിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതാ ഇവരെ. എന്നെ എന്റെ കുഞ്ഞിനെയും കൂടെ അല്ലേ കൊന്നത്. ഇവരെ ചെയ്തത്
some many cases we can understand through the symptoms, which is the real problem. But in some cases, we have to check astrological level. All the methods we have to check, use. In astrological level, Charam, Stiram, Upayam of these kind of Rashis, 11th position, 9th position, 7th position, whether it is connected to Mandi, Guliga, the ghost, indication of some planet. So we have to check all of the looking and the staying positions of these Rashis, and we can understand which is the planet, which is the entity, negative entity is doing the hell. In Kundalini, in the Pranamaya Kosha, this Ida Pingala path of prana is dissociating. That is the main problem. Through that way, it is affecting of the Kundalini. It cannot run through the Sushumna. That is the main problem actually. Normally, the Ida Pingala through Ajna to outside is the material manifestation. It is also needed positively, but it is happening negatively. The things will go down. That is a common problem. The Kundalini syndrome also a common problem. The fatigue, the tiredness, in Annamaya Kosha, this is in the Pranamaya Kosha, these kind of disturbances are coming in Pranamaya Kosha. And many blocks in many different chakras. Example, the heart chakra will block. If the heart chakra will block, the people cannot communicate, people cannot love the people. People cannot send the pranas positively. Then the people cannot associate with them and they will go down in career and everywhere. If it is the block in the Vishuddha chakra, they cannot communicate properly. They cannot concentrate and communicate properly. So naturally their family life and career life and everything will go down. Diseases may come. So this kind of many blocks will be in Pranamaya Kosha. Manomaya Kosha, if it is affecting in Manomaya Kosha, people cannot concentrate, people may have the dissociation, people may start to talk with the other person, or they will be very angry on everything. They cannot control themselves, the emotions of anxiety and anger and jealous of immediately these neurotransmitters will change by these kind of negative energies. The delusion and hallucination may be common. There's a chance to happen misunderstanding by the psychologist or psychiatrist. Maybe it is bipolar disorder or schizophrenia. So maybe it is not like that. Many cases removed by this kind of removing of this black magic effect, the problem, the symptoms will disappear. So in many cases like that. So in Annamaya Kosha, the physical body, it is showing as the irritable bowel syndrome, the shoulder pain, the head pain, and fatigue and tiredness, and changes in heartbeats, depression, and the uncontrollable body movement, uncontrollable heartbeat rate, and these kind of many things. If the problem is in Vijnanamaya Kosha, the awareness level will be very low. They will be against on temples and the positive advices of Gita or Bible, or and the positive people. They will be against of positive people, those who can give knowledge, wisdom. So these kind of many problems. So many addictions are the symbol of Abhijara, black magic. Their network will be developed fastly of the drunkards and these kind of people. They have weakness. It will be increased fastly. There are many different methods to solve the problem. First of all, we have to stop the thinking. Who did this Abhijara against me? Many people are very curious to find out who did this black magic on me. If we can understand that, we are directly connected to with that people, that Abhijara, that black magic. Then immediately start to affect that because of the law of attraction. And only the subconscious mind will connect with that one. The better you don't think about who did the Abhijara. There is different grades are there. Some people will do the Abhijara with many days. They will do the same karmas, stimulation of five senses, and run the prana in that particular way, in negatively, and they will take some kind of mode, maybe some copper plate or some kind of methods, some modes they are using and put in your land or whatever, or wherever they want, they can put there and let run the program. So it is possible because through video call also I did to teach this a coin tied up in a thread, and you can keep like this. I can sit from here and I can move that without your understanding. I can move that. So even now I can show that if the people are interested. So this is a method because the prana is running everywhere. Through the prana people can do these things. So in Christian, Hindu, Muslim, everybody is doing this kind of abhijaras. The Islam, the Muslim people will do with the squares, some kind of tables and squares and numbers, and some kind of dialogues, lettering they are using to do this abhijara. The satanic worship people also doing the same, some other kind of black magic. So Hindu people also doing the same thing. Some people are doing, they can generate small energy, somebody can generate bigger energy. If it is a smaller energy, we can do the psychological counseling and CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, and talk therapy. It will go. In the old method, you can go to a temple and take a coin and rotate 3 times, breathe out, and imagine all kind of negative energy is coming and bounding with this coin. Before that, 108 times at least you have to chant the Moola Mantra of the deity. Then you have to do like this, breathe out and put in the offering box and go to enter to inside of the temple and to accumulate positive energy, chant the mantra 108 times or 1008 times and do some offers there because some negative energies we are giving. So we have to give positive energy. So offers we can do. It is a very good method. Next is, but in many cases it will not be curable with this kind of issues because they need that much of prana they are giving here in this subject. So same type of prana, that much of prana we have to invest. Then only it will work out. So same type of prana, level of prana, quantity of prana we have to put here in the positive way. Then only it will work out. Then we have to generate this kind of five senses, this kind of stimulation of five senses means the drawing the mandalas and lamp, lighten the lamp and homas and everything we have to do. Sudarshana Homa, Parashakti Puja we have to do for some kind of issues. Some kind of issues we can give hypnotize them and we can remove that problem. The ultimate solution is we have to take a diksha from an experienced master and start the sadhana of a deity. Then that deity will be protected. Not immediately when we can implant a neural network of a deity, then that deity will be capable to clear all kind of issues. That is the permanent solution. Otherwise, if you do some kind of temporary solution like this, later again there is a chance that when the virtue will go down, again there is a chance to attack this kind of dissociations or black magic effects. See, this kind of the black magic books are available. So people are doing this one. But one thing is very pakka guarantee. This energy will affect them. Their death will be very horrible. Who is doing this black magic and this kind of negative energy works? Because if you send the black magic, if it is not affecting there, means they will do some opposite karmas there. They will do call God. So this will return to the same people. Who will send the energy, it will return to same people. So it is not a simple thing. If somebody is ready to do the abhijara, it is same like terrorism. We will also die, the other person also will die. There is no constructive idea is there. Nothing. There is no positive, negatively. So, maximum we have to avoid this kind of path. Just do the sadhana. I am doing this kind of helps to people because they have to do the sadhana. If directly give the diksha or mantra diksha of a deity, it is positive. They have they are filled with the negative kind of this kind of all kind of this black magic and ghost energies. Then the clash and the war will start. The mental stage will be very horrible. So first of all, in diksha, I will remove this kind of negative energy of black magic and give the positive energy of deity, whatever is, whoever is, Vishnu or Shiva or Devi, Sri Vidya. Actually, it is doing for helping people to find out, experience the God. In that path, these obstacles we have to remove. As a part of that, I am helping the people. So, actually, this kind of energies directly holding blockages in many karmas. So, there is only one way, that is surrender in front of the God, ultimate bliss of